Developers used to spend weeks building games like this. Today I'm going to build one in just a few minutes using nothing but AI. This is the Flappy Bird game I asked Claude Fable to build, and it built it within minutes. Before that, I asked Claude itself to generate a detailed prompt for the game. It created a comprehensive prompt that I could paste into any AI model I wanted. But in this video, we're going to use Claude Code itself. I copied the prompt and opened the Windows command prompt. Claude was already installed on my system, so I simply typed Claude to launch Claude Code in the terminal. Then I pasted the prompt and hit enter. It immediately started working in the current directory where I had opened the command prompt. Alright, it gave me a local URL to open. Since it's running from the terminal, I just copied the URL and opened it in my browser. And there we go. The fish looks a little chunky, but that's okay. Oops. Game over. It actually looks pretty difficult. I might give it to an expert and see if they can get a high score. Maybe LOL, one thing that's missing is sound. It doesn't have any sound effects yet, so let's ask Claude to add them. It is actually suggesting sounds, by the way. Once it's done, we'll run the game again. Let's go. It has sound now. I hope you guys can hear it. That little tuk-tuk sound is actually pretty satisfying. What's really amazing is that almost every modern AI model can build games like this within minutes, something that used to take developers weeks or even months to build. This really shows how AI has completely changed the way we build games, apps, and software.